Did you ever see the Providence coming? Push it back, now we're out immortal. We're out immortal.
In a dream we'll find the answer. If we're ever gonna feel this void, would you now take control of our disrupted souls? Would you fight back? Would you fight back? Even if you fall, will you go ahead? Every step you take, your choice is made, leading to your fate. Don't recreate the enemy eventually.
Can you feel the void? Can you feel it?
If we choose the right way, will we be the same again?
Never asking why, never asking why.
Providence has always kept me waiting
While we were searching for a dead end. Now we're out immortal.
Will I choose the right way, then we will be the same again.
Never asking why.
Why Providence always kept me waiting, yeah, waiting, yeah.
Desperately searching for my way home.
So desperate, researching how I can cope with my feelings. So desperately waiting to get home. If I choose the right way, will we be the same again?
Never asking why, never asking why.
Providence has always kept me waiting
While we were searching for a dead end.
choose the wrong way, will it change all of my fate?
Never asking why, never asking why.
We fall when we get up again.
While we were searching for a dead end. Did you ever see the Providence coming? Have you returned from the dead and it's all pretended? You have seen the Providence coming. Push it back on. We're immortal.
Choose the right way, then we will be the same again.
Never asking why.
Providence always kept me waiting, yeah, waiting, yeah.
Desperately searching for my way
If I
home.
choose the